Guys, welcome to our first method example problem, the speed converter problem, which converts the given kilometers into miles per hour. This is the condition. At first, we need to write a method called 2 miles per hour, and it should have one parameter of type double with a name called kilometers per hour. This method should return a rounded value of the calculation of type long. So if the parameter of kilometer is less than 0, the method 2 kilometers per hour need to return -1 to indicate the invalid value. Otherwise, it should, if it is positive, calculate miles per hour and return it for conversion and rounding. Check out the notes of the text below. So it is the notes, right? To miles per hour 1.5, it should return 1. To miles per hour 10.25, it should return 6. So how would we approach the code we write? So at first, it is asking to create a method called 2 miles per hour. It should return a value of long, right? So inside our speed converter app, go ahead and create a new method of public static long 2 miles per hour. 2 miles per hour, and it should take a double value of kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. And we need to check if the kilometers per hour is less than 0 or not. If kilometers per hour is less than 0, then we need to return -1, or else we can continue, right? Else we will say, so before going to that one, we should have a logic, right? 1 mile per hour is 1.609 kilometers per hour. So we need to round the value, right, to kilometer to mile per hour. So what we will do, we will declare a variable of type double called 1 mile per hour. 1 mile per hour equal to 1.609. Then we need to return math dot rounded. Why I'm doing round here is that here it asked the method needs to return a rounded value of calculation of type long. So that's why I'm returning a calculated value of type long with round. So kilometer per hour divided by 1 mile per hour. That's it. Just press Ctrl Alt L to organize your code. This is our first condition, right? This is what it asks. This is our first condition. So we will get a value of this one. Let us take 2 miles per hour 1.5. And how much should it return, right? It should return a value of 1, right? So copy that one. And after the 2 miles per, before the 2 miles per hour method, right? PSVM and press tab. It will create the main method in our application. Write SOUT to system.out.println and paste the function to print out the outcome. So press Ctrl Shift F10 for the first time to run the code of speed converter. So it may take some time for the first time, then it will automatically comes. So we got the answer of 1, right? 1.5 kilometers per hour is 1 mile per hour. As expected, we got the value of 1. So let's check for this one. We should get a value of 6, right? We should get a value of 6 here. So instead of this one, delete this and paste this one. Press Shift F10 for consecutive builds to run this one. So we need to get answer to be 6, right? That is what we got written. So these two, the first method is working perfectly. Now the second condition is write another method called print conversion with one parameter of type double named kilometers per hour. So now let's proceed and create another method called print conversion. The print conversion method does not return anything. We did not ask to return anything in here. So create a method public static void print conversion, and it will take a double value of kilometers per hour. And let's read the condition what we need to do there. So The method should return nothing, the void, and it need to calculate miles per hour from kilometers per hour parameter. It should need to print the message in the format of xx kilometers is this much. Copy this line, xx represents original value and the parameter. So this is how we need to get it. So go here, after this one, in print conversion. So here again check for this first condition, right? So here also be given if the parameter of kilometer per hour is less than 0, then print invalid value. So repeat the same if else condition here. If kilometers per hour is less than 0, then SOUT invalid 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 value, then else we can proceed, right? Or else we can proceed and write, we would take a long miles per hour equal to, as we are exporting long value in here, that we are getting here, so 2 miles per hour, and we need to pass kilometers per hour, the local variable in here. So, and we need to print out in a format, we copied it, right? So paste that one in here. This is the format, right? And we need to have at the place of xx, we need to have kilometers per hour. So remove these two spaces here, write kilometers per hour plus, and after this one put another comma, instead of yy write miles per hour, and print conversion. So what we asked print conversion of 1.5. So what we need to get the output should be 1.5 kilometers is 1 mile per hour. So here in the main method, call this function, press shift F10 to run it. So we will get 1.5 kilometers is 1 mile per hour. So we will go for second condition, print conversion 10.25. So put here in the main method, after this we will get 10.25 kilometers is 6 miles per hour. This is your first Java app using methods. We will continue this series by solving 7 more problems. Thank you for watching till the end.